Hello everyone. In our previous session, we covered all the details of the Samsung Galaxy S20, except for the physical count of the opening balance. To access this information, simply click on the Inventory Items button on the left-hand side of the screen. Now, let's proceed with finalizing the opening balances. To begin, navigate to the Journal Entries section by clicking the button located at the bottom left of your screen. Once there, select Inventory on Hand in the Account field, indicating that we are working with the current stock. Next, choose Samsung Galaxy S20 from the list of inventory items. Now, let's input the numbers. In the quantity column, enter the total number of Samsung Galaxy S20 units currently in stock, which is 50 pieces in our case. In the debit column, enter the total cost of all 50 Samsung Galaxy S20 phones. Each unit costs $800, so the total comes to $40,000, 50 units $800. Moving on to the next row, select Retained Earnings in the account column to balance the entry. In the credit column, enter $40,000, representing the value of the recorded inventory. Don't forget to provide a brief description for this transaction, such as opening balances. Additionally, specify the date of the transaction, which in our scenario is December 31, 2023. This date corresponds to the closing balance date when the stock count was conducted. Before saving, ensure that you tick the reference checkbox for accurate record keeping. Take a moment to review all the details you have entered. Once everything appears correct, click the Create button to save the information. After completing the entry, it is crucial to double-check your work for accuracy. Go to the Inventory Items tab on the left-hand side to confirm that you have correctly recorded 50 pieces of the Samsung Galaxy S20 with a purchase price of $800 per unit, resulting in a total value of $40,000. Finally, click on the Summary button located in the top left corner to view the total cost of all 50 Samsung Galaxy S20 units reflected on your dashboard. If everything aligns accordingly, you can proceed confidently. In our next lesson, we will continue with recording the remaining inventory items, now that we are familiar with the process.